Welcome to Learn English Stepwise Progress. Learn English phrases while I wash my hair.
I spread the shampoo through my hair. I apply a small amount of shampoo.
I wet my hair thoroughly.
I repeat the shampoo if necessary. I massage the shampoo into my scalp. I rinse my hair with warm water. I comb through my hair with my fingers. I apply conditioner to the ends of my hair. I gently towel dry my hair. I rinse the conditioner out with cool water. I detangle my hair with a wide-toothed comb.
Thanks for watching.